Hi, David Murphy with BayWa RE Solar Systems with Karen from Unirac. Karen, what are you guys showcasing at SPI?
Boy, we have a lot of really great, exciting products, new products, and of course, familiar products in our booth. Over here, we have our RM10 station, where an installer can come and actually look at how the RM10 sets up. Obviously, it's got the ballast blocks and everything set in there with the mock frames. We have our SFM Infinity all set up with a nice interactive demonstration station, which is kind of cool. So installers can actually come by, put their hands on the product, see how the various components fit together, and actually test it out, look at it, feel it. And just as a reminder, we're at booth number 4513 if you want to come by and check things out. Over here we have our REM Dual Tilt, which is one of my personal favorites actually. It really does maximize the space on the roof and really good power density. So that's something that you're looking for either on a challenging commercial roof or sometimes even residential. Right over here we have our solar mount product, which is very familiar. What we love about the solar mount, of course, is this aesthetic trim that we have on the front. It's packaged in with our Flash Kit Pro, which you can see how it all fits together. It's also got our Pro Series clamps, mid clamps, and end clamps. Very aesthetically pleasing system. This is our Flash Lock, which we're introducing here at SPI as well. And if you see, it's sort of a really cool design. It comes in the black and in the mill. And these come pre-packaged with the actual sealant, which is right up here. These are our metal attachments that we pre-package with our systems as well. So you can order, you can actually order these from us, even though these are third-party attachments, these right here. This is a cool setup here. We actually have these really great, it's an interactive display once again, where you can actually test the strength of our Pro Series hooks. So you can actually see the difference in the resistance, which is kind of awesome. And then of course, not many people know this, but we do have a full suite of attachments for tile roofs as well, including the Flash Kit for the tile replacements. We have our ground fixed tilt demo, and Peter, our CEO.
Good morning.
See all the different members of our ground fixed tilt system. These come in a 30-degree and a 20-degree fixed tilt. We do custom engineering in-house for installers. Again, not many people know about that and our capabilities. And speaking of which, really great transition. Our commercial support wall. This showcases everything that our commercial team can do for installers. If you don't know, if you're not aware of what some of our capabilities are in-house, come grab a folder, come talk to Brandon, and we can walk you through this. Here's our RM5 product. RM5 is also really nice, especially for when you have a system that actually has to be at a really low tilt. We're going live actually, but this is our new product that we are partnering with a company called Meridian Solar on, and it is a roof integrated solar system. So yes, Unirac is now in the business of selling solar panels. So Meridian Solar, if you haven't seen it, if you haven't checked it out, come look at it. It's a really beautiful, aesthetically pleasing design. Really, we're going after the California new home market, right, and the mandate. Finally, last but not least, and I apologize for all of our drink cups here, but Unirac has just launched, just last night, our new racking certified installer program. It's, again, a first in the market. No other racking manufacturer actually has a certification program for their installers. So we offer this to new installers, to installers that are veterans, and we have a 3-tier program. The program will actually officially full-fledged launch in January, so we're sort of in a development phase to launch. So we look forward to seeing you guys here, guys and gals, booth 4513, and of course thank you so much to BayWa for doing this for us today.